We will begin our birthday list off with a smiling Macbar Miller. That's a smile for the ages right there. Looks like we've got it's a football shirt we got on there. And I'm trying to determine if that's just around his cup or whether that's a pair of receiver gloves. I'm not sure. Good picture though, kid. You got a killer smile too.
Oh yeah, well he's got a football shirt on, so I'm
guessing,
guessing,
I knew it was a football shirt. I was trying to figure out the Adidas on the gloves there. Happy birthday to Macbar Miller as he celebrates in Parsons.
We're gonna run with that. I like it. And Adeline Midget turning 7 years old this year. I remember when she was born in Chautauqua. Happy birthday,
look at the
Miss
shirt.
Ellen.
The shirt is
That's cool.
great.
That's cool.
I'll tell you what, that's the great thing about when you celebrate one of the midget birthdays in Chautauqua. You know you're going to get to play on the fire truck. That's too cool. Now, Aubrey Foster, she is turning number 11, and Briley Foster is turning 11. The Foster twins. Marvelous picture of you two as well. And hey, guys, I want you to know these birthday wishes come with love from Mom, Dad, your sisters, Caitlin and Madison, and brother Owen.
Right. Out in Fredonia, Emma Barton is celebrating Sweet 16 today. I hope you have a wonderful birthday, Emma.
Kieran Sprague is celebrating an 18th birthday. What a gorgeous dress right there. Now get this, Kieran is studying to become a forensic pathologist. So Kieran, now that I have that tidbit of information, I wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope our paths do not cross anytime soon.
He just doesn't want you to be studying him. That's what he means. For those of you who can get that. All right, happy birthday to Cameron Edwards, celebrating birthday number 23 this year. Cameron is in Frontenac. That's him in the orange shirt there. With birthday love coming from Mom.
Now usually, it's the birthdays that end in 0 that we say, oh, somebody's, this is a milestone birthday. Well, Susan Hayes has a 72nd birthday. And I don't have a lot of hints, but I am being told it's a big birthday that she's celebrating this year. So Susan, know from all of us here that we congratulate you on whatever milestone that may be, and a very happy birthday as Miss Hayes is in Jasper.
And down in Quapaw, Lindsay McDonald celebrating another year wiser this year. Happy birthday, Lindsay Jo.
Look at that ride behind her.
I know.
Yeah. All right. Stacy Harmon celebrating a birthday in Joplin. Stacy, a very happy birthday to you. Kristen Norris with a couple of 2s on the board as she celebrates in Parsons. And last but not least, John Murray. John, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday Thursday. A happy birthday and happy anniversary